everyone, today I am doing arrows activity.
What direction is it?
Up,
What about this one?
down,
This one?
right,
This one?
left.
Good. Now can you find the same directions here?
13. That's all.
So can you write 13 here? Good job. You need to just write the direction. Where is the circle? Do you see some directions here?
Yes.
Do you see some directions here?
Yes.
So you need to find a same box with the same directions. The directions can be same, but it will be in different position and it can be in different color also. You need to find the right directions, okay?
Okay.
What does the first direction say, Varshit?
Go right.
Okay, go right. What does the second direction say?
Go right.
Good. What does the next direction say?
Go right.
Good. What does the next direction say?
Go up.
How many times? There's a number there.
6.
So go up 6 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Good job. Right.
Bye.
Bye. Write 5 there. You're doing fifth box, so you'll write 5. Do you see a letter for each direction? Okay. Start from here. So it's going up. What is the letter?
E. Arrow.
It's going down. So what's the matching letter? You can see it here.
S.
Yes, good. So AS. What does AS make?
S.
So you'll write as.